Total disability is a heavily discussed topic, and ironically, that can lead to some confusion. Let's clear up 5 of the biggest misconceptions about what total really means. One we hear often among veterans is, "I'm not disabled enough. Other veterans suffer more than I do." But total disability is not a measure of who suffers most. VA bases disability ratings on what its rules call average impairment in earning capacity. In plain terms, that's how much your service-connected conditions would keep a typical person from holding a steady job. It's about lost earning power, not pain levels. So don't talk yourself out of a claim because someone else seems worse off. Those people might be eligible for something called special monthly compensation, which I'll discuss in a moment. The second misconception is that reaching 100% just means adding up your ratings. It doesn't. VA uses a method many people call VA math, set out in Regulation 38 CFR 4.25. Your ratings don't add, they combine. For example, a 50% rating and a 30% rating don't equal 80%. They combine to about 65%, which VA rounds to 70. The reason for that is that each additional rating applies only to the part of you that VA still counts as healthy. That's why stacking your conditions rarely reaches 100% the way you would expect. This leads to the third misconception, that total disability requires a 100% rating on paper. It does not. There's another path called TDIU, or total disability based on individual unemployability. Under VA Regulation 38 CFR 4.16, if your service-connected conditions keep you from working, VA can pay you at the full 100% rate even when your combined rating is lower. The usual thresholds are one condition at 60% or a combined 70% with at least one condition at 40%. And if you fall short of those numbers but still cannot work due to your service-connected conditions, VA can consider you on what's called an extra scheduler basis. So you may reach that total rate without ever hitting 100 on the chart. Fourth, many people assume that total means permanent, not always. A 100% rating can be permanent or it can be temporary. If VA thinks your condition could improve, it may schedule a future exam and reduce the rating later. When VA decides improvement is not likely, it can label the rating permanent and total, and routine re-examinations usually stop. There's also short-term 100% ratings, such as after a surgery or long hospital stay. Those are designed to expire, so total and permanent are 2 separate questions. The fifth misconception is that 100% is as high as you can go. It isn't. For more severe situations, there's special monthly compensation, or SMC, under Federal Law USC 1114. SMC pays above the standard 100% rate. It covers things like loss of use of a limb, blindness, being housebound, or needing the regular aid and attendance of another person. Many veterans who qualify never realize it. In short, total disability is not about who suffers most. It's just not a number on a chart. It's not always permanent, and it's not the ceiling. If any of this is relevant to you, consider giving us a call. You can also find out more free information on our website and our YouTube channel. Take care.